Hello everyone. In this video we will actually be graphing a linear equation. So we have this linear equation, 5x plus 3y is equal to 6. So in order to correctly plot the graph for this line, for this linear equation, we need to convert it from the general form into the slope-intercept form. So the way we want to go about that is algebraically rearrange the problem so that we're solving for y. So, and if we're solving for y, what we're going to want to do is cancel out the 5x. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So I'm subtracting 5x on this side as well. These will cancel out. 6 and negative 5x, they are not common terms. They are not like terms. So this becomes 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 6. Now we're going to divide both sides by 3. Or rather, divide every term by 3. The 3's will cancel out here. I am left with y is equal to negative 5 over 3 x plus 2. So this is my line in slope-intercept form. So there's two ways to go about this. You want to keep in mind that the slope is equal to the rise over the run. And you want to keep in mind that this is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is basically the point that the line crosses the y-axis. So let's draw this graph. I'm going to try and write this equation a little bit smaller, so I can draw a big graph for it. So I'm drawing this graph here. And this won't be to scale, even though I have a graphic background, which should make me draw a little bit better, but that won't be the case. So our y-intercept is 2, so positive 2. So that means the line will cross the point here. That is the definition of the y-intercept. So the line is going to cross at this point. The next thing we need to remember is that the slope is the rise over the run. So since it's negative, what we're going to do is go down 5 steps and go to the right 3 steps. So since it's negative 5, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm at the bottom here. Draw a little dot here. And now I'm going to go over 3 to plot the next point. 1, 2, 3. So basically, the line will look something like this. You need to remember that a negative slope looks like a plane that's going to land. And you want to look at these graphs from left to right, kind of like you're reading a book. So this is a negative slope, so it's going to point in the downward direction because our slope is negative. You also want to keep in mind that a positive slope looks like an airplane taking off. And remember, you always want to look at the slope, at the drawing of the line from left to right.